A natural oil that has many benefits and some controversies? What is CBD oil and how can it help you? Let's get into it. Basically, CBD is a plant compound. It's a phytochemical called cannabidiol, which is actually a phytocannabinoid discovered in 1940. It's one of about 113 identified cannabinoids in the cannabis plant, and it accounts for approximately 40% of the plant's extract. CBD is actually a naturally occurring constituent of industrial hemp, which is the cannabis sativa plant. It's the most abundant non-psychoactive cannabinoid found in the cannabis species. Most people have heard of the cannabinoid called THC, which is tetrahydrocannabinol. That's the ingredient in cannabis that gets users the high feeling or the stoned feeling. However, unlike THC, CBD, cannabidiol, is a non-psychoactive cannabinoid and does not cause a high feeling. The fact that CBD is therapeutically potent as well as non-intoxicating makes it an appealing treatment option for those who are cautious about trying cannabis for the first time. CBD works directly with our own body's endocannabinoid system. And the endocannabinoid system, which we all have, plays a crucial role in regulating a broad range of physiological processes that affect our everyday experience, our mood, our energy level, our intestinal fortitude, our immune activity, how we experience pain, how we experience stress, how we experience hunger, and many more situations within the body that the endocannabinoid system functions and regulates. So what happens if the endocannabinoid system doesn't function properly? What are the consequences of a deficient or overactive endocannabinoid system? Well, like I've said for a long time, anything that's deficient or overactive or toxic, it all leads to the root cause of disease and symptomology. But now cutting-edge science has shown that the endocannabinoid system is dysregulated in nearly all pathological conditions. Even scientists with the U.S. National Institute of Health, the NIH, suggested in a 2014 publication that modulating the endocannabinoid system may have therapeutic potential in almost all diseases affecting humans. So it's no longer a matter of debating whether cannabis has merit as an herbal medication. Today, the key challenge is discerning how to utilize cannabis for the maximum therapeutic benefits. The 2018 Farm Bill included a provision that now legalizes the cultivation of hemp, which is cannabis with less than 0.3% THC. And that's in large part because of the popularity and the driving economic force of CBD. So what are some of the benefits of CBD? What are the health benefits? Well, CBD has been proven medically to help relieve irritation, convulsions, seizures, nausea, as well as inhibiting cancer cell growth. It also helps calm anxiety, reduces stress, depression, helps improve sleep disorders, gut disorders, skin disease, reduces inflammation, reduces chronic pain, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, brain injury, and it's also great for pets with any of those medical issues. As a matter of fact, the Hadassah Medical School at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem compared the effectiveness of a completely purified CBD extract versus a full spectrum extract of cannabis flowers containing large quantities of CBD. And the conclusion of the study was that the whole plant extract, which contained a large percentage of CBD, but also contained traces of the other cannabinoids, proved far more effective than CBD-only solutions in alleviating inflammation and pain. And the reason why I talk about that is because I'm a big believer in using the full spectrum of plants For example, if somebody's taking a 96% curcumin, where they've taken a compound out of a plant, it's not as effective as it is when you take that with a full spectrum of turmeric. So in the hemp industry, some people are taking and extracting just the CBD out, which there's multiple CBD compounds, and they're leaving out the full spectrum of the hemp plant. So what that study talks about is if you really want the most effective CBD, you need to have the full spectrum of all of the components of the plant working together in harmony, in unison, to give you the best and most effective health benefits. So if you have any questions regarding CBD oil, how it can help you, any recommendations for CBD products, let us know in the comments below. And if you have any health questions, also submit them in the comments below. And if you're looking for natural health solutions, head over to globalhealingcenter.com for helpful health articles to guide you on your journey to a healthier you.